Hello everyone, today we will start our next chapter, chapter 12 डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी। डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी के अंदर आपको पढ़ना होगा कि कैसे जावा एप्लीकेशन जो है डेटाबेस से कनेक्ट होती है। तो हम इसको पढ़ेंगे। एक सिंपल स्टोरी हम देखेंगे। आप जस्ट उसको समझिए और पहले डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी को जस्ट फॉरगेट फॉर सम टाइम। ओके, लेटर हम इसको उससे कनेक्ट करेंगे कि इस स्टोरी को कि जावा की डेटाबेस से कनेक्टिविटी या जावा एप्लीकेशन की डेटाबेस से कनेक्टिविटी कैसे होती है। ओके, सो अज्यूम एनी प्लेस वेयर गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स आर अवेलेबल एट वेरी लो कॉस्ट. Okay, assume gold is 1 rupees per kg and diamonds are available at 1 rupees each. Okay, just assume, don't ask about the real place where these prices are available. Okay, so just consider कि currently we are at Shastri Nagar, Ratlam. Okay, and another place is XYZ where gold and diamonds are very less price. Now consider my requirement is just I want 10 kg of gold and 10 pieces of diamond. Okay, what my requirement is, I want 10 kgs of gold and 10 pieces of diamond. To get this diamond and gold, what I require to do is, first I want to come to this place. Okay, which place? To XYZ place. Okay, but the first problem what I am go to face is my language. Okay, what my language is Hindi language or English language, but XYZ people language is some Khoka language. Okay, it's some kind of language, some Khoka language that I can't understand. Okay, it's a different language. They can't understand my language, I can't understand their language. Okay, so Shastri Nagar people can't understand XYZ place language and XYZ people can't understand Shastri Nagar people's language. So remember this point, I can't understand their language and they can't understand my language. Then what we have to do, if we want to communicate with XYZ people, first we have to arrange a translator. Okay, I arranged a translator. This person, that means a translator, he will convert this Shastri Nagar people's language into XYZ people language, XYZ people language into Shastri Nagar people language. Is it clear? So how many places are here? 2. Okay, currently we are at Shastri Nagar and at XYZ gold and diamonds are available. Now I have to reach XYZ place. To reach XYZ place, compulsorily road must be required. Okay, compulsorily road must be required. There is no connectivity, so we have to build a road. So here we build a road. Understand? I developed a road. I established a road from Shastri Nagar to XYZ place. Okay. So till now we have done 2 activities. I arranged a translator and second I built a road from translator to XYZ place. Don't think that we are getting gold and diamond at the end. Okay, you will understand JDBC concept. So observe very carefully. Till now translator is ready and road is ready, right? I have to travel from Shastri Nagar to XYZ place. Next thing we require to talk about, compulsorily some vehicle must be required. Okay, I want to reach or I want to send my requirement to XYZ place. I want to bring the result from XYZ place to Shastri Nagar. Compulsorily some vehicle must be required. We arranged one vehicle also. Okay, are you getting? This is the third activity. What we did is we arranged a vehicle. Also now by using this vehicle we can send our requirement to XYZ place. Whenever the vehicle reach at XYZ place, immediately XYZ people get what our requirement is. What they will do, required gold and diamonds. They will keep inside a box. The box they will keep inside the vehicle. So, whenever the vehicle reach at XYZ place, immediately XYZ people get what our requirement is. What they will do? Required gold and diamonds they will keep inside a box. The box they will keep inside the vehicle. Vehicle will reach at Shastri Nagar. Okay. From this vehicle, by default, we can get the required item. Right? Are you getting all this small story? If you understand this story, then nothing is in JDBC. Now let me convert this story into JDBC architecture. First, how many places? 2 places, Shastri Nagar and XYZ place. Assume this Shastri Nagar is nothing but Java application. Now, where diamond and golds are available? They are at XYZ place. This XYZ place is nothing but database, because in the database data is available. This data is required by application, okay, by Java application. Required data from the database. 2 places means first is Java application and another one is database. Clear? Now what is next one? We have to talk about Java language is different, database language is different. Java application can understand Java and database can understand SQL, PLSQL languages, right? But to convert Java terminology to database terminology and database terminology to Java terminology, or Java calls to database or database calls to Java, we must need a translator. Okay? It must be required because Java terminology is different and database terminology is different, right? The translator is nothing but driver. Okay? Translator is nothing but a driver. What is the function of driver? It converts Java specific calls to database calls and database specific calls to Java calls. Clear? Okay. Next one, translator is ready to reach database. Okay, some road must be required. That road is nothing but connection. Connection is a network socket. A network socket is first required to reach database, okay, from the Java application. After arranging driver software, we need connection between Java application and database. Now next we have to send a SQL query to database engine. Okay, query to database. Now हमको क्या करना रहेगा? We have to send a SQL query to database and then database engine have to execute the SQL query and to bring the database result into Java application. Some vehicle must be required. That vehicle is nothing but a statement object. Okay, that vehicle is nothing but a statement object. By using a statement object, I can send my SQL query to database. Database engine will execute the SQL query and the result it will place inside a box. That box is itself is nothing but result set. Result set contains a set of results. Database engine will place this box in our vehicle. Now this statement object will reach Java application. From a statement object, Java application can access the result set. This result set is provided by a statement object. Clear? So that was all about your JDBC architecture. Okay? Now you read by your book also, and in case if you have any doubt then you can ask me, but JDBC architecture is very important. Okay?